Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Instagram Shop. First, open your Instagram app or website. It is recommended to log in using a PC web browser because it makes the setup process easier. Once you are logged in, click on the More icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, go to Account Type and Tools. Then click on Switch to a professional account. Instagram will now guide you through a few setup screens. Choose either business or creator, depending on your needs, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Meta Business Suite. Log in using the Facebook account that is connected to your business. Inside Meta Business Suite, select the Facebook page from the top left menu. After that, click on Settings and select the Facebook page profile you created for your business. Under the Connected Assets section, click Connect Instagram. Enter your Instagram login details and complete the connection process. This links your Instagram profile to your Facebook page. Now navigate to Meta Commerce Manager using your desktop browser and sign into your account. Click on Add an account. In some regions, Facebook ads may not be available. If that is the case, continue with the catalog method, which is very similar and works well for setting up an Instagram shop. Click Create a Catalog. Select your catalog type, which will usually be e-commerce for physical products, and then click Next. You will now choose how to add your products. You can upload product information manually, add items through a spreadsheet feed, or connect a partner platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to automatically sync your products. You may also be asked about event tracking and catalog permissions. Follow the prompts and complete the setup process. Keep in mind that Facebook may not approve products that are sold exclusively through third-party marketplaces such as Amazon or Etsy. An independent online store is usually required. Thanks for watching.